Hello guys.
Namaste dosto. Hello guys.
Is-
So today we are going to
Hyderabad.
It's my first time. Means actually we got so much tired after traveling these days. In Chhattisgarh, but it was good also. We have seen so many places. We could see more, but we have seen so many places. Especially yesterday was so good. Today was so much tiring. We have gone to one temple. We'll show all the videos to you. Now we came to airport. Today we haven't eaten breakfast and lunch also. I mean, we got so tired. I just slept on the way, and we are waiting for our flight to come. So after that we'll go where?
Hyderabad.
And 4 nights will be in Hyderabad. We'll show you guys how will be the experience and which places we'll visit in Hyderabad.
Arre.
I think today we will reach at night. In
Night, I think
Hyderabad.
8, around
so
8.
We'll just have dinner and from tomorrow we will start our journey.
Yes. I was there actually in Hyderabad for 6-7 months. I was studying for IES, Indian Engineering Service exam. But I didn't went any places. I think one fort was there. I don't remember name. So there I went and one water park. But this time we'll go different places.
Water park also is there?
No, I went with my friend.
Oh, if possible we can go.
Okay, let's see. No, water park is everywhere. Pune also is there. Nah. We'll go and we'll see
Whatever is
whatever
not
is
there,
new.
yeah. Okay.
So we'll go. I think flight is at 5:10. It's now 4:30.
Oh, is it?
So
And,
we are in.
We are
Ja-
so tired also and
Uh.
hungry also because from morning we haven't eaten
We ate
anything.
poha.
Morning only.
Lunch we
little
didn't eat. Their management was not good this time. Means
bit. From
they also
5
didn't know where we are
5:30
going.
We are awake.
Means
So
they are.
tired.
Means 90% time we are in bus only.
And I don't like traveling so much long time in bus. It's so
So it's okay. Whatever it
tiring
is.
for me.
It was.
Especially this turn and this thing for me is so. My stomach will become so kharab ki I feel too
Vita got food poisoning also in
booming.
between.
Yeah,
How
I
are you
got
now?
food poison also.
You're good?
Now I'm good, yeah.
So
So
फिर-
it's like every day something was there.
So
So
we'll
be
go.
with us. We'll show you guys how is Hyderabad. I think it will be so hot.
I hope.
But
ki-
here also was hot. So
No, now weather became a little bit cloudy here. So let's hope in Hyderabad also weather is like this.
let's
Because it's
see.
near, it's not that far.
Oh,
Uh.
how much time we have to be in
I think 1 hour.
in flight?
We are in Jagdalpur. We are in Jagdalpur from here. I think nearly
Jagdalpur.
1 hour 15 minutes. In 1 hour 15 minutes we'll reach to Hyderabad.
Okay.
Okay,
chalo.
let's
Be with
go.
us. Bye bye.
Hello guys. So we were
So
going.
guys, I'm so scared because now we are standing here.
Don't. We should not show that.
Oh, it's not sure. We are standing here to check our ticket, and then we will go inside. I mean, we'll go inside of train,
Inside
flight. So what happened? Suddenly someone said that some
Private
crash-
plane got crashed in jungle of Chhattisgarh. So they
I
are
thought
searching.
he's making fun.
No.
And
No,
then suddenly
starting I
I
also thought he's
Yeah.
making fun.
Guys, some plane crash happened.
Private jet.
Private. Oh, jet.
Jet plane, huh?
So I got so much scared. Means exactly I think 30 minutes ago. Now we were here. Suddenly they said
There only.
in news here.
No, you can go there and
They said ki in news it came ki this happened. And at first I thought ki they are making fun. Some of the guys. Then after some time I understood ki no, it's
no. Then I searched on Google. So it was showing ki 30 minutes ago, one private plane got crashed in jungle of Chhattisgarh, and they are searching.
My God.
That's why now maybe it's, I don't know. Now I think it's not coming noise of that army helicopter.
नमस्कार अपनी यात्रा को शीघ्र शुरू करने के लिए आप अपने बड़े
Put
बैग्स
it
को
in
ऊपर वाले
Bas Bhagwan is there.
और छोटे
I'm
बैग्स
so
को
scared.
सामने वाली
Nothing
सीट
is-
I don't want to
कृपया अपनी
die.
निर्धारित सीट में ही
Bhagwan is
बैठें
there.
और प्रस्थान
Nothing will
के लिए
happen.
आयल को खाली रखें।
So guys, now I'm scared. I mean, I want to be alive.
Nothing will happen.
I'm so scared because of this happened. Now they are searching with helicopter. I think 2 helicopters came.
2, 3.
2, 3 came and I saw them. They were searching for the flight. So I was so scared. I don't know what will happen.
Nothing
I
will
hope-
happen.
I hope
No,
we-
that one was private plane.
I
This is
hope
like
we will be
regular.
alive to
Show next
show
vlog.
next vlog. Yeah.
But who will upload this one?
No, same I'm saying. I hope you'll be alive
Ah,
to
show this
video.
vlog. Okay.
Chalo.
Chala. Read the instructions. We don't know what will happen.
If crash going to happen, we will not have any time for any instruction.
That's what I'm saying. Na, read. Now only read.
Instruction is for going to heaven or hell.
At least you'll try something.
What we can try? No, I think this is for vomiting or
Really?
fire or something like that.
Not the emergency exit also should be there. Not there.
नमस्कार, अपनी यात्रा को शीघ्र ही शुरू करने
It's
के
okay.
लिए आप अपने बड़े बैग्स को ऊपर रखें।
Guys, finally we are alive.
Okay.
So now only the plane did landing. I was like, really, I was so scared. So
नमस्कार,
scared.
मैं बेहद खुशी हूँ कि
Especially
आपको
as
समय से पहले
starting and
कॉलेज में
ending.
टाइम अराइवल आ सके। हैदराबाद में
I
आपका
was like,
स्वागत
I
है।
will sleep,
अपने
so
टिकट
even
द्वार
if
खोलने के
something
बाद कृपया विंडो सीट्स
happened,
बंद कर दें।
I
हेलमेट
will
खोल
not
दें। धन्यवाद।
understand. So on the way we were sleeping.
From here also nearly 1 hour we have to go to our the Airbnb stay. It's 1 hour away from here, but I don't know, maybe traffic also is there this evening. So we'll show you how is our Airbnb stay also, and we'll show you Hyderabad also.
Yeah, I saw from outside so much water is there. I don't know, it's like they save water for...
I also don't know, but last time I was here in summer, it's so hot. 3 years ago.
अब आप मोबाइल
Let's see.
फोन्स का इस्तेमाल
My
कर
hair, I am so
सकते हैं। सीट बेल्ट साइन
I
बंद
am
होने
also so
और विमान
tired.
Hello guys, we came to
Hello
Hyderabad
guys,
airport.
we are alive. My hands
But I was so much
became
scared.
cold. I was
For
so scared.
everything, she was like, different noises she was making. She was watching here and there.
At starting when plane went upside,
Uh,
suddenly small movement was coming and I got so scared. Suddenly I did, and then everyone, because of my noise, everyone became scared. You saw? They're like, then I was like, oh my god, I don't want to be dead now. I have so many dreams and I want to be alive. Because it's so scary now.
Arre.
30 minutes ago, some plane got crashed and
Private plane.
whatever. And now your plane is going from same plane. So scary it was. And thank God we are alive.
Nothing will happen. That one is private jet. We don't know what happened exactly. Means we will see news and we will update you.
So I think the Airbnb we are going will be 30 to 40 minutes away from us, from the airport, and we will show you guys. It's like budget-friendly place.
It's okay. I will say
Yeah.
because we just want to stay for night, and tomorrow also we want to stay. After that, we want to go in one resort.
Yeah.
Uh,
So we'll show you guys how is the place. And I think we don't have energy to go outside for food also.
no, today we'll go and today
We'll
we'll
order
rest.
online.
We'll rest.
I just
want to go
go
shower.
on, bed and I just want to lie.
No, I want to go shower first then. मतलब पता नहीं क्या ही बोलो अभी मतलब पूरा दिन बस में ही थे हम आज मतलब प्लानिंग बहुत खराब था इनका
Really?
इसी बार
Today, I mean, we had flight now.
अरे
It should have not been like this.
अरे
Means they did planning so bad
अरे
for today.
हाँ,
Yesterday they took us so many places and it was tiring also, but today was last day. So at least today they should have
Means more-
taken us less places
अरे
so that we could rest
no,
properly.
we don't took anywhere. We were in bus only.
Oh.
Okay, guys,
Okay,
let's go.
chalo guys.
Guys, we saw one statue so beautiful. Don't touch.
See, this one I like so much.
अरे very.
So beautiful.
Arre.
huh? So we need to take our luggage. Then I saw this
We have to
one,
go on 6 number.
like
That
let's
side, 6.
take a picture.
Arre.
Let's take a picture together here. Guys, we finally reached after half an hour to this place. The balcony suites, hotels and homestay. We are so much tired.
I just want to go and sleep now.
Yeah, I
Arre.
also.
I think it's like Airbnb.
Ah. Let's go. Is here also is like this. This one also is somewhere else,
I
or
think
is house?
Something like Airbnb only, I think.
Mm-hmm. Give me one. How are you?
I'm fairly comfortable.
We are so tired. So guys, we got our room. What is the number? I don't know.
Yeah, give it. Kidiga.
So this guy is taking us to our room. It's like apartment.
Safe. I think
Yeah,
camera is
camera
there.
is there, everything
Security
is
guard भी रहता है यहाँ पे बाहर? नहीं है क्या?
And it's like this.
Yeah.
I think tomorrow we will rent a car for going here and there because it's so hot also. Yeah.
We rent car, you know, not driving. So as roads are good here.
No.
The roads also are good, so we'll go like that only.
Roads are so much better than Pune.
Bike if we take, will die. So hot.
Yeah.
So,
I'm so tired.
I just want to go and rest.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's good.
Sure.
So big.
So big. We should have taken our friends also.
Yeah.
Some of them are going back to Pune now.
Oh. Yeah. Gas also is there back one.
Yes, also is there.
Chai, mic, everything is there.
And this is bedroom. Where else is one bedroom?
3 BHK.
Okay.
Here is 3 BHK. We should have come with gangs. So many people.
Bedroom facing. Bedroom facing. Okay. This room type of It's good. Should we
Yeah.
sleep here or other two room of check? Where
No different, they're only.
or here only sleep?